Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the concept of telecommuting. Telecommuting is defined as working from a remote location outside a traditional office. It means it is a work arrangement in which the employee do not need to travel or commute to his centralized place of work, such as the office. He does not need to commute to his office building. To conduct telecommuting, we require internet connection, we need a laptop, or we can conduct it even through a smartphone, desktop, and landline telephone connection is required for conducting telecommuting. The three-step, it is defined as a three-step process. The first one is a pre-approval. Before we conduct a telecommuting process, there should be an agreement made between the organization and the employee, discussing about the few factors such as what is the alternate work site from which the employee is going to work if he is not coming to the office. Is he going to work from home? And he need to discuss the time span that is required for um, conducting the telecommuting. How many hours he is going to dedicate from his house. Third one, we need an ongoing monitoring. The ongoing monitoring process is basically the company has to keep a track of the work which is being completed by the employer. Like the amount of work he is going to complete from the house, the day-to-day monitoring has to be taken place. So these are the three steps which are involved in telecommuting process. Here are some of the example for telecommuting jobs. Like we can conduct a webinar, the software engineer, financial analyst, teacher, online lectures can be conducted through your telecommuting process. So these are some of the example for the kinds of job that supports telecommuting process. The list of advantages are basically it increases the employee's work satisfaction. He can balance his personal life as well as his professional life. It helps to reduce the cost related with telecommuting or the traveling process. It helps to reduce the cost. So these are the advantages of telecommuting process. Thank you.